Hi, my name is Louis Sorensen, and I'm here with Mark Lightman to give a demonstration of one of the ways you can learn ancient Greek via storytelling. And this is in modern education, language education. You will hear such phrases as TPRS, which is teaching proficiency through storytelling, or TPR, which is total physical response. Both of these methods have come into modern language teachings, and you see them maybe in videos like Rosetta Stone software and some of the other online software, but not so much the storytelling as the action and learning by observing what you see and incorporating things like that. But what's unique about storytelling is that we try to, from the very first step, introduce you to a word. Now, if you think about when you learn a word from a grammar, the first maybe Greek lesson or a couple Greek lessons, how many times do you actually read that word in a sentence? 5, maybe 10 times, if you have all the exercises and mix the 15 vocabulary words together. You will maybe only see it maybe 13 times. You won't hear it. You won't hear it repeated. You won't necessarily see it in a lot of forms. But when you start talking and using the words, all of a sudden, let's say a given hour, you may use that word 150 times. That's the kind of usage that you need to do to internalize it. So I'll be making a number of videos over the time soon coming. I have a class where I teach via this method. But I'm going to start right now and start the class. And we start with some rules in storytelling. Okay? And here they are, Mark. Okay. So what I'm going to tell you, I'm going to tell you a story in Greek. Okay? And what I want you to do, I'm going to be asking you questions. Okay?
Gotcha.
And if I ask you a question that you know, I want you to answer me it in Greek as best you can.
Okay.
If I ask you a question you don't know, you can suggest an answer to me.
Okay.
Okay? Now that answer can be only in Greek, or you can use a proper name like Elvis Presley.
Okay.
Okay? Or George Washington.
Okay.
Okay? So, and here's the third thing.
Okay.
If I make a statement of fact, which you don't know, I need you to make a statement in Greek. Like, oh, okay. Is that Greek? Well, you could say it's Greek. Or you can say, Sineka, I understand. Or if somebody just died, or is doing something very bad, kakos. Or if they're doing something well and you approve of it, kalos. So we have a list of words that we go through and use, and these are like the interjections and short sentences. And then after I go through and ask a number of questions, I'm going to ask you a why question where you required more than a one-word answer. Okay.